Let me show you how Minexa.ai makes web data extraction simple for anyone, even without a technical background, to scrape franchise categories easily. I am navigating directly to the franchisetimes.com page with the results already loaded. Now open the extension by clicking the icon at the top of your browser to get started. The extension is open. Hit the violet button. I'm on the right page. Minexa runs a full automatic page analysis to detect the franchise categories list. Navigation pattern found. Every page will be covered on every run, so your data extraction covers all results automatically. Here, choose between extracting just the list or the full details of each franchise category. Press Continue to move on, or select Advanced if any field needs filling or a button clicking before results appear. That highlighted block is where your data lives. Hit Create Scraper, and Minexa does a one-time analysis, extracting the same data at scale. Every data point detected is shown here. You can select the ones you need, like franchise category names, descriptions, and download links. If you are a developer, click API Request and copy the code. You can batch up to 50,000 URLs in one request for high-scale data extraction. Hit the violet button to finalize the setup and save your scraper configuration for future runs. Pagination is set, so every run moves through all pages and collects the complete dataset without missing any entries. One more click, and the job is saved. You can optionally schedule it, or connect Google Sheets first if you want to automate data delivery. Click Run, and Minexa gets to work extracting franchise categories and downloads from franchisetimes.com quickly and reliably. Same columns, same values every run, ensuring your franchise category names, descriptions, and download links are always in the same format for automated workflows. Download your results and open them in any spreadsheet tool right away to start analyzing the franchise categories data immediately. Set up once, reuse forever. Anyone can export to a spreadsheet, and developers can batch up to 50,000 URLs in a single API request with consistent structured output.